Okay, family. Wow, thanks for the questions. I've listened to all those questions you've submitted to me here on YouTube, and do I have answers for you? Very interesting questions. So, yeah, let me cue them up here. Oh, wow, look, I've been a human being for 74 years now, and I'm not eating animals in 51 years, so, uh, today you call it being vegan, but back in the days they call it being Pythagorean, Buddhism, Ahimsa. So I don't know. Yeah, you're vegan. Maybe I am Aris. My favorite recipe. You guys are, I mean, that's that question. Favorite recipe. If I had a favorite recipe, I would not make any other recipes. That's the only one that I would make. My recipe that is my favorite of all, it's all of the recipes that I make. They're all favorites. I love them. I never lost my balance. I'm active and I'm always on balance. And what do I drink daily? Coconut water. The water from the young coconut. Nothing else would do for me. I'm doing a good 6 to 8 coconuts a day. We're talking electrolytes. That's the daily balancer. I mean, electromagnetic, alkaline, 7.6. You can't get any more balance than that. Coconut water. That's the word. The foods that are best to gain weight are the bulking foods. Protein, of course, and well, complex carbohydrate, starch, but I don't really recommend those too highly. So I would say protein, nuts, seeds, avocados, fat, fat, that's it. So you got it, plant foods, the clean ones, nuts, seeds, avocados, those are my top. My first advice for anyone who wants to stop eating animals is stop eating animals. That's the first advice. Just stop eating those things, But don't go eat plastic. Don't go eat rubber. Don't go eat, garbage now. Don't go eat cellulose. You want to eat living foods, plant foods. So my first advice is definitely get out of the animal kingdom. Leave the animals alone and start enjoying plant foods. The best one to begin with in terms of like really going into plant foods and loving it, unquestionably, fruits. But you may have an issue with fruits because your system may have been corrupted, so go slow with the fruits if you're not, 100% ready for a major cleansing reaction. That's it. Be fruitful and multiply. What's my favorite top 3 foods? Well, I'm stuck on mangoes. I am stuck on mangoes, and mangoes. The butter mango, the papaya mango. Mangoes are my favorite. And the top 3 favorite foods that I love are 3 different types of mangoes. So definitely the papaya mango, the butter mango, and there's one that's it's from India. All right, so let's call it the India mango. That's it. You can go to sunfire.com. That's the place to meet me on the super highway, the digital highway, sunfire.com. And definitely, I'm always at home at Aris Life on IG. So IG, that's most people's favorite mode of traveling today. So meet me on IG, Aris Life. Look, aloe vera, it's nice because it gets the job done. And the best thing as far as aloe vera is concerned, as far as I'm concerned, that's my favorite thing, is that after it pulls toxins out of the cells, it seals the cells back so the toxins don't get reabsorbed. So that mucilaginous consistency of the aloe vera mend things back. So it draws toxins out seal the cells and the toxins don't get reabsorbed. So, hey, if you want to detox and not retox, aloe vera is the way to go. So don't detox to retox. Aloe vera will keep the toxins from coming back in. That's my take on that. Wow, fans, it's been nice, rocking your questions today. I mean, very interesting questions, let me tell you. So anyway, looking forward. Next time, just keep sending those questions in. Come on, make them more interesting. You send me little softy questions. Make them like really bound, okay? So I'm gonna just ask myself the questions maybe the next time if you're not gonna ask me some real questions. But anyway, I don't usually question anybody about their life, about anything. So the last person on this planet I want to ask a question to is myself. So, hey, anyway, see you next time.